Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, are you ready? Before I get started, I really wanted to film this room tour for the longest, but it seemed like every time I wanted to film it, something would always happen. Like something will break, or like a decoration will break, or I feel like something just like out of place and I throw it away. Like something was always wrong. So that's what like hindered me from ever posting this video. So I was like, you know what, I'm about to move in a minute. I really want people to see this room because once I'm gone, I'm not going to bring any of these decorations. So yeah, let me stop rambling and go ahead and get started. So this is how it looks when you first walk in. It's pretty simple. This is a college apartment, so I share the like common area roommates, and then this room is mine with the bathroom right here. So when you first walk in, to your left, this is just an extra storage closet. I know the door is super ugly, but I'm not going to open that because there's a lot of junk in there. And then on the right, you see me. This was me in high school. Yes, body on fleek. I know. And then right here is a DIY bootleg mirror I made like a long time ago. If you watch Amber Shoal DIYs, that's where I got the idea from. And my mom, she got me these. Well, I really stole these from her. These little lights, you just push them to turn on. I never really look in this mirror anymore because I have another mirror that I'm going to show y'all next. But yeah, you see like one of the lights went out. Oh, there you go. And then another one fell, like, yeah. And then right here is just like a little door thing. My sister's best friend got me that for Christmas, which is really nice for her because she didn't have to do that. But now going into the actual room, you will see right here is like a chair. This chair actually came with the room. It's really ugly, as you can see. So what I did was just put this blanket on it that doesn't really match my room at all, and I put this pillow, which was on, like, this chair was at my vanity over there at first, but I just put it over here for my clients. Like, have a mom that's with them that's dropping them off, they just sit here while they're getting their makeup done. So yeah. And then right here, I've had these panels since freshman year, y'all. Freshman year, and I've just kind of repurposed them every year. I don't think I have a picture of how my room looked for freshman year anymore, but this is actually foam. This is, and then this is just ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I think everything is from Hobby Lobby from this. Yeah, and I just use thumbtacks. Yeah, so I just use thumbtacks to poke it in the wall, and I push this into the thumbtack. Like you can see right here, I have two thumbtacks. There was a canvas. There was a canvas right here at first, but I ended up taking it down. So yeah, and you'll see the other panels right there, but it just kind of thins out this wall because you see it's a very long wall. And the canvas I had right there at first, it just really didn't make sense, so I just took it down, and I was gonna do a DIY on it, but I ended up not doing it. So yeah, that's just another story. But anyway, moving on to my bed. Everything in here is pretty cost efficient. I'll tell y'all more of the pricier things once I get to them, but everything here is pretty affordable because I basically bought everything with my own money in here, unless it was a gift. Like this blanket was a gift, and of course my mom, she bought me those lights. But anyway, move to the bed. This bed spread, comforter, whatever, was just $30 from Ross. Yes, if you like shopping for home decor, hit up Ross because they have a lot of good stuff. This is from Home Goods. Yeah, this blanket is from Home Goods. And these pillows, well, the ones in the middle they came with the bedspread. And then I got these pillowcases from Hobby Lobby. So if you have old pillows that you don't like anymore, but you don't want to go out and buy whole new pillows, just go out and buy pillowcases, which is, you know, pretty smart idea. So when I move again, I won't need to buy new pillows. I can just, you know, buy more pillowcases. And this little cutie right here is my teddy bear that my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day. So she just sits there, or she sits in the chair over there. And this right here I made myself. If you want to see a DIY on it, just comment down below. I made this like last year, I think. It's been a minute, but yeah, it took a long time. That's why I haven't filmed one yet. But if y'all really want to see how I did it, I'll make a video on it. So moving over here, these curtains are also from Ross, I think. I'm pretty sure they're from Ross because I bought a lot of stuff from Ross. And right here, like this nightstand, I guess. There was a big flower vase right here before, but what happened? Oh yeah, I got some roses my boyfriend got me for graduation, but they died, and so the vase was just sitting there. And I was like, well, let me just sit this right here for the meantime. Like, I really, like, there was another thing, like, something would always happen, like the roses died, so it doesn't really go with the room anymore, so I just replaced it with that. And right here is just a little tray from Home Goods, I believe. I love these trays, and it's a little dusty, sorry y'all. And I just kind of put my keys in my wallet there. And this is just a room spray thing. I got that from Ross too. And these elephants I got from my probate 2 years ago. And this right here is like a storage type of thing my grandma got me. And I just put like my nail stuff in there. It's pretty junky. But yeah, so that's that. So moving over to the vanity side. I know y'all, I didn't move it out the way, but that's because I'm about to have a client. Again, like, something will always happen, which is something's happened today. I'm having a client today. So I didn't feel like packing all that makeup up and then putting it right back out after I did this video. Like, this video was really spare of the moment. So just ignore that right there and focus on this side. So right here you have my chair from Amazon. The instructions were really easy. It's a hydraulic chair. See, and then you can like let it back down, but I just have that for my clients. And then this desk is DIY. I got so many questions about this desk, but okay, well, the desk itself it came with the room. It's just like kind of nailed to the wall or whatever, and I put the contact paper on top of it. And this is just my laptop. The case is from Amazon. Here's another one of those trays, and I have all my favorite perfumes that I run on a daily basis. If y'all want a like more detailed video about my perfumes, let me know. I get a lot of compliments on my scent whenever I go out, so yeah. And then back here is just little knickknacks, I guess. Like, I just got this Fenty Beauty, I think it's the Fairy Bomb, I think that's what it's called. And I have a backup of my Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming. This is what it looks like outside of the box, but y'all, that stuff smells amazing. It makes it smell rich. Anyway, so right here is my Pandora box. I just got my Pandora bracelet in there. This is a DIY piggy bank. As you see, I poked a hole, and I just put my spare change and spare dollars in there, whatever, make me save money. And right here is my Gucci Mane book. It's really dusty, very dusty. I haven't read it. It's just really there for decoration. And once I move to an apartment, I'll probably put it like on a coffee table with like some stuff, you know. And here is just a memory keepsake type of box I got from my probate. It has my line name, Glitz on there, and DST on the top. And then right here is just a mirror from Hobby Lobby. It was right here, but it looked better right here when I film my videos. Like, as y'all can see, this is really the filming background of my videos. Like, I sit right here, and you'll see like that part is the background of the videos. So yeah. And right here, oh, don't look at me. Right here is just my mirror from Impressions Vanity. I get a lot of questions about it. No, I did not DIY it. I bought it maybe 2 years ago, and I really like it. And here's another thing. I told y'all something always happening. My boyfriend, he broke the light bulb, so I need to buy another one. Actually, I think I do have an extra spare one, but yeah. So like I said, I just got tired of stuff happening, and I just wanted to go ahead and film this video before I left and threw everything away. And I'm planning on selling this mirror to get a bigger one. So I have a buyer in mind, but I'm gonna go off of price, you know, supply and demand, because I get a lot of questions about this mirror. I know some people that don't want to risk ordering it and it come out broken, blah blah blah. So yeah, right here is my candle burner, wax burner. I got it from Walmart. Y'all, this has steered me off of buying candles from Bath and Body Works. Like, it's so potent, and it came from Walmart, like the little wax or whatever. And so I think this is watermelon something, apple watermelon, whatever. But that's what I'm burning right now. And I think I already said this on my laptop. But yeah, so we're gonna ignore this side of the vanity, cause yeah. But under here, it's a little junky, but it's an organized junky. I guess I got these little storage bins from Hobby Lobby. It just kind of went with the curtains. It's gold or whatever. And coming over here is my closet. I think my closet is, let's see how junky it is. It's okay, I guess, whatever. Up here are just all my purses. If you want to see like a purse collection video, just comment down below. And then these are my clothes, not all of them. Like, I got other clothes in the storage closet over there, and then I have like winter clothes and bins. So this is just the clothes that I hung up for the moment. And this right here is my unorganized shoe rack from Amazon, but it really did come in handy. I really like that. And right here is another, well, yeah, it's another mirror. If y'all notice, I have a lot of mirrors in here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. I think that's it. But yeah, so I'm not gonna step in front of the mirror because I look crazy right now. But I got this mirror from Kirkland's. It was on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I may be selling this as well along with that mirror to get something more plain. Like, I love this gold trim or whatever, but I really want something like silver maybe, or something that'll go with more things, if that makes sense. So yeah, once I move, I'll probably post something on my Instagram or whatever. But moving on. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, so this pillow right here is also a pillowcase from Hobby Lobby too. And I really like that pillowcase, so probably when I move, I'll get another one if they have any more. But moving on. So right here is just my trunk. This trunk came from my trunk party. Wow, that was 4 years ago and I still got it. But more than likely I'll keep this with me until it breaks down. I just have like miscellaneous stuff in there, like a first aid kit, cleaning supplies, you know, it's just like little stuff in there. And then up top is my hair trunk, I guess you can say. And in here I just got a lot of my hair products. I don't really have many, well, compared to a lot of people, I don't really have that many hair products. And right here is just my I can't pick that up. Right here is just my nail collection. No, I do not do nails. My grandma got me this, and this is just where I store my nail polish. And I have other nail polish where I told y'all I had the other storage thing. And then right here is my TV. It's mounted on the wall. And again, I've always planned it on getting that little white thing that covers the cords. Like, it just cinches it together so you won't see it. But never got around to it. I feel like this is very ugly. I hate looking at it like this, but it is what it is. It's been like this for 2 years, and I doubt it changed now that I'm about to leave. We make it back to the beginning. I don't like my restroom, so we're just not going to go in there. I just hate the style of the way the apartment has it set up. Like, it's very old looking. I have a few decorations in there, but I just don't like it. So we're not even about to go in there. Like, I can disguise, you know, the room with my decorations over here, but yeah, this is another story. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I finally got it up for y'all, for those who've been waiting on it. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2.